Hello everyone. Today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional remote using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working key to add additional remote. This kit is compatible with 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Limited. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket remote, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed remote, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option. This tool will work on any aftermarket remote or the original remote. Today, we'll program the aftermarket remote with the kit first. Then, we will use the kit to reprogram our own original remote. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it as many times as you want in your vehicle, but not in any other vehicle. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. The programmer will tell you can program up to 4 remotes. Press Enter. All remotes will be erased and require reprogramming in next step. Press Enter. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the car. Then press Enter. From there, the programmer will communicate to your vehicle. We will reprogram original remote first by pressing and holding lock and unlock buttons for 15 seconds. Or until you hear the beeping tone. Here, we will repeat the same step by holding the lock and unlock buttons for each remote we want to add. When you're done with adding remotes, press Enter. You'll have to wait a few seconds before you hear this tone. This means it is all done. So, next, unplug the tool and let's test the remotes. Here, we can see it's working, and it's all good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.